In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send order confirmation email with Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable confirmation email setup, so customers instantly receive the details they need after placing an order. First, head to your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Flows. This is where Klaviyo organizes automated messages triggered by customer actions. Flows help you send the right message at the right moment without manual work. Next, click Create Flow. You're starting a fresh automation, and this button opens the Flow library and setup options. From the available categories, choose Send Updates and Reminders. This category groups utility and notification style automations, which is perfect for transactional messages like order confirmations. Selecting the right category helps you find relevant settings and templates faster. Now, click Build Your Own. Instead of using a pre-built template, you'll start from a clean slate. This keeps you in full control of the trigger, content, and logic, ensuring your confirmation fits your brand and order data. From here, fill out the required details and customize the flow so it functions as an order confirmation. Give your flow a clear name so your team recognizes it at a glance. Then set the trigger to the event that fires right after purchase, typically a placed order event from your e-commerce integration. If your catalog supports it, you can leave the trigger broad so every order qualifies, or use basic filters to exclude test profiles or internal orders. Add your email message and tailor the content to be purely transactional. Keep the subject line clear and helpful. For example, your order is confirmed, followed by the order number pulled dynamically. In the email body, insert key data points provided by your integration, such as the customer's first name, order number, items purchased, quantities, prices, shipping method, and shipping address. Include a clear summary section and a link to view the order online. If your store provides estimated delivery windows or tracking details after fulfillment, reserve space in the design so those fields display cleanly when available. Use a simple on-brand layout that renders well on mobile. Keep promotional language minimal or omit it entirely to maintain compliance with transactional messaging standards. Double-check your sender name and reply to address so customers can reach support easily if they have questions. Before turning the flow on, preview with real event data and send a test to yourself. Once everything looks right, save your changes and enable the flow so it starts sending automatically after checkout. That's it. Your Klaviyo order confirmation is ready to go.